Welcome, dear explorers, to the town of artificial intelligence. Today I told you how news is created when artificial intelligence helps in the newsroom, but people still watch over meaning and honesty. You saw how it is possible to collect information faster, organize facts, and prepare short summaries when many things happen at once. We also checked where mistakes come from when someone trusts the machine without checking, and why responsibility matters in the news. I invited you on a journey into the world of journalism that works faster and faster. In the Signal Hut, I met Mecha Kitten and Hyper Elephant. Mecha Kitten said that automated journalism surely works like artificial intelligence standing in the middle of the square like a big ear, catching every sentence someone throws into the air, and then putting together one loudest truth, because if everyone talks at once, it must be important. Hyper Elephant said that the best news will be created when a spring is attached to a pen and it writes by itself so fast that before anyone thinks, the text is ready, and if nonsense comes out, it means nonsense was urgent. Their ideas made me laugh, but I explained that automated journalism is not about collecting gossip from the air or writing blindly, but that artificial intelligence helps organize data, make quick drafts, and suggest ideas. On the Sky platform, I met Cyber Hedgehog and Digi Hamster. Cyber Hedgehog told me that when he prepared a report from a loud event and had many recordings, artificial intelligence helped him quickly turn sound into readable text and catch places where someone mixed up facts so he could check them before they went further. Digi Hamster said that when results from many sources came at once and numbers started to argue with each other, artificial intelligence helped him find missing pieces and suspicious differences. So instead of guessing, he could calmly find the mistake and only then make a short summary. I confirmed these were good examples. Support from artificial intelligence works best when it speeds up organizing work, but does not replace checking and responsibility. In the hologram space, I met Laser Peacock and Neuro Monkey. I asked them what they knew about automated journalism. Laser Peacock answered that artificial intelligence can help in the newsroom by quickly summarizing long materials, organizing facts, making drafts, and preparing short messages. But the text should still go through a person who judges meaning, sources, and possible effects. NeuroMonkey added that the biggest problems are mistakes, bias, and easy spreading of false information. So transparency, checking sources, and marking what is automatic must be watched. I praised their knowledge and summarized that automated journalism is help from artificial intelligence in working with information, but truth and responsibility still need human control. Curious seekers, today you saw that artificial intelligence can speed up work on news, but speed alone is not enough if no one checks facts and meaning. Remember that the best use of such tools is organizing data, making drafts, and finding inconsistencies, not replacing responsible thinking. Also remember that mistakes and false content are easy to make, so transparency and control are as important as convenience. See you on the next journey for knowledge.